Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming which JDK is installed and stopping Java so files can be removed safely. Open Terminal, run ls/library/java/java virtual machines to see versions. Note the directory name you'll delete. Next, make a quick backup of shell configs if you added Java home to them. Then check Activity Monitor or run psf grep java and kill any Java processes. Make sure no running process holds files. Once done, you're ready to remove the JDK folder itself. Now remove the JDK directory and any system links carefully. In Terminal, use sudo rmref with the exact /library/java/java virtual machines/JDK. JDK path you noted. This deletes the JVM bundle. Then check /usr/bin and /usr/local/bin for symlinks to Java, Javec, or Javas and remove them with sudo rm to prevent stale binaries. After that, edit your shell profile and remove or unset Java home and path entries you added. Log out or source the file to apply changes. Make sure to finish by verifying the system no longer uses the removed JDK. Run Java version. You should see command not found or a prompt to install Java, not the old version. If you plan to reinstall, prefer SDKman or brew install OpenJDK for cleaner management. If something still links to the removed files, check for leftover launched plists in /library/launch daemons and /library/launch agents and remove any Java-related entries. Then reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.